Hello YouTube, I'm back at the biggest event at my local field. This is the summer kickoff. I brought a few fun shotguns today. I had a lot of fun. The weather wasn't amazing, but enough people showed up that it was a great day and lots of fun was had. Please enjoy and subscribe. In this first mode, we have to escort the player with the shield to the bomb sites so that he can plant them for us.
I'm okay. Move! Advance!
Run, Mississippi! 2, Mississippi! 3, Mississippi! 4, Mississippi! 5, Mississippi! 6, Mississippi! 7, above you, above you. 9, Mississippi! 10, Mississippi!
Nice shot, blue team! Blue team, let's go! One more bomb down! Red team, get up here! Up on your right! Shield your fire! Bomb character! Carrier!
Blue, push! Blue!
Red team, I guarantee if y'all get up here as a team and help each other out, y'all have to fight behind. Get it going. That grenade didn't go off. Does not count. Nice job working up, red team. Nice job taking some ground back. Keep up that momentum. Come on.
Double kill.
Sorry.
We won that first round, now let's switch to the other side about halfway through the game.
I'm hopped. I'm way too hopped. Sorry. Sorry. That was good. Some new shotguns out. If you're fast, you can try. I'm empty. Oh, sorry. Oh my God, they're pushing. Whoa.
The game ends shortly after this, so let's go to the next one. The games on this field were a little inconsistent, but I did get a few good shotgun clips.
Sorry. You okay? Hit! Good hit. Hit. Good shot. I need to get my grenade real quick. I'm dead.
After this game, Fox did the raffle that they do on all these big event days, and something really surprising happened. Alright guys, so it's mid-game day at the summer kickoff event. I just won something in the raffle. So what I won was a Zion Arms little micro CQB M4, and that's super cool. So if I have the right battery for this thing, I'm gonna run it immediately. I played 2 games with my new M4. Unfortunately, my head camera died. I am making another gameplay video with that coming very soon, so watch out for that. Anyways, this is the last game of the day where I have my automatic shotgun ready to go.
Let's do this.
This game mode is Payload. We have a wagon that we need to push from one field to the other, and breaching between them is really difficult.
Friendly, coming through.
Push it!
We got out right here, but we did get the first checkpoint, which means our new spawn is this brown building. There's this group of players I was kind of hanging out with all day. They drove a few states away to play this event, and I think that's really cool. They had a riot shield that was kind of heavy, and I had my shotgun, and well, I've been playing a lot of Doom the Dark Ages recently, so I had to try it.
Good game.
I don't know who got it this first way, but I moved it the rest of the way.
Can I use the shield for one push?
I moved it from here.
Can I use that for a push?
Alright, y'all ready?
I'd be still on you, the shield.
Let's go!
Okay, the Slayer.
Go get him!
Sorry for that crazy editing, but some of the fun of Airsoft is kind of mimicking what you do in video games, in my opinion, and that was a lot of fun.
So you cannot push the payload back any further. The payload must stay where it is. The bomber is right here, right here!
I should have played more aggressively, but not only is this borderline unfair, but I'm also one-handing a really heavy shotguns, and it's the end of the day. So thank you for watching, subscribe to see more Airsoft, and as always, I will see you in that next video. Have a great day, everyone.